Hi, my name is Troy Matson. I'm a student at Full Sail University, and this is my project for Tic Tac Toe. In this assignment, we were tasked with creating a game board with tiles that would change based on the player clicking them. We also needed to make a game object manager that would regulate the turns, as well as keep track of if there were any win conditions. So, going into it real quick, we've got the game board consisting of just the background and the walls that divide them. They're not really interactable objects, they're just there for show. Next would be the actual cubes themselves. These are the interactable objects. Now inside of each cube here we have both the prefabs for the X and the O, and then we just generate whether or not they're set active true or false based on the click. And then as soon as all of the values are set in our game manager here, we have them all set up here as variables here that are actually going to be on or off. So if they're all on, they're all one color. If they're all off, they're all the other color. Now just to show you the actual game in action here, we can hit the play button, and all the pieces will clear at the beginning, and then from there we can select the individuals. If we get all three in a row, we'll just do the top ones real quick here. Win condition, top row, win. Now just to show you that's not the only one programmed in, all of these did need to get programmed in, are the other win conditions here. So we'll start with the corner and we'll do a diagonal win. So this is also something that needed to be programmed into the win condition, so the player one diagonal win. You'll see it in the console. Now from there we can take a look at the Trello board. The Trello board itself, we did a couple different things here. First was the gratis document, going through the goals, rules, actions, all of that good stuff. Pretty basic, but great document. From there, the visual demonstration link is a link to this video. After that, we have the winning conditions and the rules that we all set up. So we had to go through and list each rule we did as we did them, and then go through and, of course, add the due date, the labels, and all that good stuff. Apart from that, we have the data setup, which is going to be all of the different data types, booleans that were used for the on and off as far as the cubes go. We also had to set up some game controller data, just that X is the first turn. And then from there, we did the asset creation, which was the prefabs of the X and the O themselves, as well as the cube to be clickable, and then the game background and the non-usable pieces like the walls. Asset creation was going to be the actual X and O prefabs here. Oh, I'm sorry, we just did that one. Class tutorial was used for this one, and then the user actions is the last. That one was keeping track of the turn order, the click on the square, registering it, and preventing second options. That way you couldn't cheat, things like that nature. And that is about it. Again, this is Troy Matson, and this was my project for Tic Tac Toe for Full Sail University. Thanks for watching.